Where are we going?
To Villa Luz, little town with waterfall and sulfur waters, flying sardinas.
Sardinas.
And I don't know what else.
I guess they have waterfalls, hot springs, and blind fish. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go. So it's our final day in Tabasco's Pueblo Mágico, Tapijulapa. And we just couldn't have lived with ourselves if we didn't take that short 2-mile combi ride over to the incredible Parque Villa Luz. Gonna miss this town. Café, café, restaurante, empty building, guy with a shirt up to his belly button. That's not weird. Just kind of avoid our gaze a little bit. Yeah. It's Saturday. Still, I think everybody is at the festival, the Tabasco Fair. So there's still not too many tourists here. Empty benches, Tapijulapa, Pueblo Mágico. Still pretty ghost towny. Oh, look at the, that's how the chair looks as they're doing the wicker. Huh? Buen trabajo. Sí, sí. Sometimes it's their house that they work out of. So it's really maybe not that nice to shove a camera right into their house. I didn't think anybody was there. So what's the plan then? The combi is at the church?
Yeah.
This looks like sewer system. I don't know why I've been obsessed with the sewer systems. I think I'm just happy to know that the bad water isn't going directly into the river. After my close, detailed, and very normal inspection of the local public water workstation, we couldn't help ourselves but to stop and take one last daytime look over the village that we've called home for the last few days. At the top of the stairs that overlook the entire village, we pass right by the Santiago Apostol Church, one of the most historic landmarks of Tapijulapa. But right around the corner, that's where the combi station is. It's just like any other bus station. You go, you sit, you wait, and when your combi comes by, the stops are listed right on the windshield. You get in, you hand the guy some cash, and you get to your destination. Hi, combi, Villa Luz.
Para Villa Luz, ¿cuánto cobra?
12 pesos.
Ah, okay. Gracias. You want to go in front?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Hi. Gracias. Hey, slow down, man. If there's anything these guys do well, it's getting you where you need to go, and fast. Now, it was already pretty late in the day. I don't know, I sleep in late. It's my fault. Sue me. But what we didn't realize is that right around the corner, we were about to see some really pretty shit and embark on an adventure that, frankly, we did not expect. Eddie, it's Villa Luz. Ya tiene efectivo. Gracias, amigo. Hey.
Gracias.
Okay.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad.
Huh?
Was 12 for both of us or for
I think
each?
it's for each.
Oh,
I
okay.
think it's for each.
That's what I figured. Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear water.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is definitely the tourist spot, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, looks like. I don't know how much. Maybe.
Oh shit, that's pretty. Holy shit. Entrada. Wow, it's so pretty. Qué increíble. Yeah.
Supposed to take that.
I mean, we could swim if you want to.
This is just to go for the waterfall.
Okay. Do you want? I mean, we gotta go anyway. So get in the boat.
¿Cuánto cuesta para?
30 por los dos, ida y vuelta.
Ah, ok. ¿Por persona?
Sí.
Sí, una persona.
Come on. Gracias. Wow.
Ah, ok.
30 por los dos. We should have come here earlier. All right. It cost us about $1.50 to get across the river. And it was $1.50 well worth it, as swimming across a river right now was not on my high priority. I was looking at one of the most incredible natural waterfalls in existence. And it was just right around the corner from where we were staying all this time. But it was better late than ever, and my God, did it not disappoint. We always do everything so late. I guess the park closes at 4. And usually there's like rappelling, kayaking, and hot springs. And I think we missed all of it. Maybe we can sneak up. Probably not, but we'll try. Wow, look at the roots. They're like petrified roots. So crazy. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, and there's supposed to be caves that have, you know, water that goes into the caves, and fish that have just evolved in those caves. So there's sardines that don't have eyes because there's no light in those caves, and the fish just evolved there. I didn't realize this park was so big. We should have come earlier.
¿Para qué es aquí?
Para entrar a la cascada.
Ah.
41 pesos.
Ok. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
41.
It didn't seem to matter that they were about to close, and honestly, we really had no idea what we were doing. But a couple of dollars and a couple of wristbands later, and now we had access to the rest of the pools, waterfalls, and a way bigger park than we could have ever imagined. This is another example of Mexico, how Mexico doesn't have any rules. Like, you can come visit a place like this, that's beautiful, and walk right along a cliffside that has clear and pleasant danger. Oh, I'm sinking so low into the dirt down there. Oh, look at that. In the US, this would be fucking impossible. They'd have some sort of guard up, or they would not allow people to like walk to the side of a cliff with a waterfall. Oh shit. But Mexico, Mexico. Mexico, Mexico. Oh. Wow. My like feet are like 2 feet in mud underneath this waterfall area. Oh. Oh. And now I'm standing on the edge of a waterfall. Oh. And that's friggin' gorgeous. All right, we gotta go up the stairs. I wanna go up to the next level. As we're climbing up these wooden stairs in Villa Luz, you're gonna see why this place is so special. I said they let us pay and go in anyway, even though they were closed. The trail threads through the jungle past several tiers of cascading waterfalls and natural pools that you can swim in or just relax beside. Oh wow. It keeps going up too. That's cool. And the crazy thing is that it's not just one waterfall. It's a series of waterfalls that you can explore, each with its own vibe and setting. People come here for hiking, swimming, camping, ziplining, and even rappelling down the waterfall itself.
Who can answer?
Wow. The best part is that this is all surrounded by this lush tropical wilderness. This is nature in full force in the heart of Tabasco. It should be such a great place to hang out for like a whole day and picnic. And like they said, you can rappel down the side of the waterfall. That's what these ropes are here. They're for rappelling down the waterfall, which would be quite fun.
Tenemos rappel disumible que dice que tiene altura 14 metros.
Let's take a look here. Take a look how far down this goes. I'm on the edge of Florida. No tengo miedo.
Don't be stupid.
¿Ah?
Vamos
Don't be
a
stupid.
hacer acompañamiento si gustas. Vamos a dar rappel.
Voy a saltar. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Guy was like this, like,
Really?
yeah.
Over there, you see here it's white? That's where they have the sulfur. In this pool over here. Yeah. Oh, I think this is sulfur. Oh, maybe. No, I think it's the sulfur water. Yeah.
It is?
I think so. Don't fall, don't fall. Oh, Jesus. This is my life.
Your chancla.
Yeah. My chancla. Oh.
Your sandal.
Oh.
Be careful. Take
Okay,
it.
wait. Have to go slow. Have to go slow.
Okay.
I know. Mi chancla. Hey, baby. Here, catch. Baby, catch. Catch. Gracias, amigo. Because I fell in the water. Well, I got some of it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think this is the sulfur part. I feel rocks. I just ate shit in front of everybody, and they're all laughing at me. Sorry. I didn't feel sulfur in there, but maybe. This mud is not sulfur, that's just clay.
It's clay here.
Yeah, but the white made it look like it had sulfur, but I don't think so.
You have filled that before, right?
Yeah, it's like that kind of clay,
Yeah.
except it's white, and it's everywhere, and you can dig in like mud into the ground and put it on your face.
So that clay you don't put in your face.
I mean, I don't believe so. Like, you can kind of tell when it's like sulfur in the water.
Oh.
Because usually it's in a hot spring where it's warm, but it's just like coating the ground generally. Maybe so many people have been here that it's not.
Maybe it's fake.
Maybe it's fake.
Oh my god.
Or maybe there's just been so many people in here, they've like taken away the sulfur maybe.
Yeah.
A little girl was just laughing and pointing at me. They couldn't stand up. Sulfur infused water. No, I just didn't know it was gonna go deep. Mexico's fun. Like you can do fun shit. Come on, they have water slides. Hey baby, you wanna cross on the rope?
No.
That's what that's for.
Ah, really?
Okay. The hardest part about this is buenas. Yeah. Got some sail. Something's there. What's alberca? Oh, that's pool? Oh, maybe that's where the sulfur pools are, yeah? And museo. What? Why?
They charge money, but there's nobody here.
Oh, I see. Okay. Hey. Super cool. Okay. Wow. Ah, yeah. Oh, cool. Mira como un río de leche.
Yeah. Blue milk.
How is this even my life right now? When we arrived earlier in the day, I was just blown away by the incredible beauty that I was looking at. And then, of course, later on, I made an ass of myself, as I normally do. That's me, that's normal. But it seemed the more we went into this sulfuric jungle, the more beautiful and the more strange it got. Now, don't forget to stick around for part 2 of this short series of Parque Villa Luz, because things do get a little bit stranger, and Edith and I ended up on a bit of an accidental adventure that we really did not see coming. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, hit all those buttons, do all those things, because it really helps to make this content better. Love ya.